My name is Marchal.
Hello, I'm BOUATO, and this is BRYAN, JOBLEK via AYUK, and this is group 1. And today we'll be showing you guys how to configure the switch using the application of the Cisco packet tracer.
So, as we mentioned earlier, we are going to learn how to configure a Cisco management switch using the Cisco packet tracer. So now we are going to click here on switch, then drag the switch up here, select it. As you can see, we have 4 options with the physical, the config, the CLI, and the attribute one. Going to get interested in the CLI one to get started. Now let's press enter. As you can see, our host is not yet enabled, and we have to change the name. So in order to do so, we have to type enable. Now instead of the sign, we have a hashtag which is following the switch. So let's enter the configuration command now. We are going to type configure terminal. As you can see, we are inside the configuration command. So now the next step is to change the name of the host, which is in its default state name switch. Now I will just type host name. I will call it ROG. As you can see, our switch has now, our host has now changed its name, which is ROG instead of switch. So let's exit. You have to exit the second time. That's all.
For the second part of this video, I'll be showing you guys how to configure the banner, or what you call the message of the day. Go on as follows. You go configure. Then here you go as such, you go with banner, question mark, then banner plus MOTD, message of the day, question mark. Then you follow on with $sign. After that, you can type any message of your likeness. We'll go on with God is good. Starts. You can type as much as you want, and you finish with a $sign and enter. Exit and see the results. And there it is.
The configuration, I would like to set a password. Now, to set the password, I have to enable my switch, configure terminal, and then enter this message on the line 0 and simply password, and then enter the password I want to set. Group 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's call it like that. And then press enter. Login. Yes. Exit. Okay, there's one more thing I want to do. I want to set another more private password that will be for prime users, for prime administrators. Let's say this first password is for secondary administrators, but I want another one for prime administrators that is asked after you have enabled the switch. So to do that, I just need to type enable secret 1, 2, 3, 4 group and Then yes, I think okay. Then press enter. Then yes, it should be set now. Let me exit and exit once more. Now let's check if it works. It has to ask me the password, the primary password, and then after I've started the switch, before enabling, it has to ask me the secret password again. So let me press enter. Yes, I should enter the first password. Okay, one more thing. As you will enter your password in this command line interface, you wouldn't be able to see what you're typing because it's a password and it needs to remain private. So the command line interface actually implicitly saves your password, but it reacts if it is wrong. If you have wrongly typed or something, it will not open the switch, but if you do it right, it will open the switch as I just did. So here I have to enable, and then after enabling, it has to ask me the prime password for prime users. So I will enter that one. You still can see it on the command line interface. So I hope I've done no error. Okay, yes, I'm good to go. It has accepted my request. So now the only thing I can do now is just start up, copy, run. Start up, config. Oh, what have I done? Copy, run, start up. Yes. Exit. Yeah. Now our switch is configured.
So this was a Marchal.
This was YVAN-LOUIS. And once more, my name is BRYAN, JOBLEK, AYUK. And this was a video to configure the switch using the Cisco package tracer.